Filthy guap.
It's a jungle in the ghetto, so you better beware. It ain't nothing but gorillas, high and tiger the best. Pro Mags, eyes, killing for tourists. Step foot up in this jungle, leave out in the hearse. Cold on Percocet, city girls, yes, sex, all eyes, no deaths. Bullet shells, candle wax, candle lit, Brody hit, gas, shotty shot back. Guess he knew it was real when he died, he ain't come back. Round here, snakes, we ain't gorilla, man, no being. Bro was facing 10, gave him up, now he back to win. Man, it's every day, on the floor, no other way. In the ghetto, better get you some cake, no birthday. No heart, no love, nigga, what is B-Day? Cause when you down bad love, digitally your leeway. Might find yourself in the he say, she say. Every day, all day, who am I say? I'm the hood postman, 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 I'm the hood postman. Always got motion, always keep motion. I'm the hood postman, 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 I'm the hood postman. On the dead homies, like Rennie Loki. I'm the hood postman, 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 I'm the hood postman. Always got motion, always keep motion. I'm the hood postman, 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 I'm the hood postman. On the dead homies, like Rennie Loki, yeah.
It's the cartel.
Always got motion. The hood postman. I'm in the hood real time. Report line to you. How it really is. How it really go on.
I'm the real saint, and I'm sitting with the real hood postman. For all of y'all that haven't tapped into the hood postman, you need to. There's over 1,000 hoods, but there's only one hood postman.
Lock the door.
St. Clair. I've been Saint since a little boy. That's my nickname of my name. And that's carried with me. That's with me right now. That's who I am. And for me to find out about, well, I begin to, as far as LA area and the hood, I began to be not the richest, but I was one of the richest homies in the hood. And that's several homies because a lot of people had money. But I was one of them. And
1980, cocaine, 81. Cocaine is going, man. Some of the biggest guys that was in there, man. And I want to say, you might have had the opportunity to meet John Boy. I think he owned, I can't remember the club out there in the marina. Casanova's, man. What was that like, man, meeting John Boy?
It was lit. I mean, for what the younger generation says now, lit. It was lit and turned up all the time, so to speak. But that was, to my knowledge, that was the first black that I know of that I had direct dealings with that was able to accomplish so much.
When you realized that your name Saint was being used in Snowfall, how did that make you feel?
Originally, I mean, you really gotta hear this part.
Okay.
When I heard that from some homies and some friends that I would stay in contact with, after two decades and some time, nobody ain't really thinking about you or whatever. But anyway, he was telling me, hey man, it's a series out now called Snowfall. I'm like, okay. He said, man, there's a dude in there, the dude that sells the drugs, his name is Saint. And then I began to evaluate after a while, as far as my knowledge. And, like you said in the beginning of this, I'm familiar with the hoods that I was kind of like raised up in, as far as in Chicago area, the different gangs and elements of that nature. And, I was already aware when I came out here about that type of lifestyle. So
80-81, cocaine dropped.
Oh Lord, yes it did.
What was your thoughts? What was your thoughts?
Boy, it was like it was a different way to make money and make more money. Bottom line. So just like from selling weed, I just started, buying, in the neighborhood, in the area, man. There's so many celebrities that live around the area, Cross Slauson, in the hills, on our side, on this side of Slauson, the Overhills, Ladera, and just regularly homes in the hood. You know, a lot of people are financially secure in different ways or whatever. And so that was allowing you to mingle, so to speak, with, if you in the selling drugs, so to speak.
Gotcha.
Meeting a lot of people that were in different celebrity lives, different entertainment, things of that nature. And it's like anything else, you begin to grow.
Cool. We're going to hold it right there. Professor Melly Mel, the Hood Postman, we're going to lock the door.
I'm the Hood Postman, always got motion, always keep motion. I'm the Hood Postman, 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 I'm the Hood Postman. On the dead homies, like Rennie Loken, yeah.
It's the cartel.
Always got motion.